Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there, guys. It's never a dull moment in crypto, that is for sure. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, yes, I'm coming to you from my iPad from this software which literally follows you around. How cool is this? Anyway, I'm experimenting with this video, so please bear with me, guys. We have some updates in relation to Ripple and XRP. Of course, that is a given. Making moves outside the United States, which obviously Brad said that would happen if obviously Gary Gensler continues his rampage on crypto. Anyway, guys, they're making moves and still very, very bullish. We've got some updates in relation to Do Kwon moving a ton of Bitcoin, which is interesting. Solana is moving quite nicely as well, and some bullish updates happening with that, with the helium migration as well, so HNT token. We've obviously got some updates in relation to Bitcoin, and the bull market in general, guys, is actually moving quite nicely. So let's get straight into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, ladies and gentlemen, I love documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. It's just getting crazy right now. And also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. Do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. So my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of a night in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's go straight to the community tab. And yeah, I'm going to do it from my phone because I don't know why, for whatever reason, YouTube doesn't allow the iPad app basically to access the community tab, as you can see right here. Really, really annoying. But anyway, I'm going to do it from my phone. So I basically posted up right here that XRP surpasses $20 billion market cap, which is really nice as well. The top altcoins in my portfolio was CKB today. NEO is doing extremely well. OMI token, again, part of the VV app. Very, very bullish on OMI as well. I think I saw someone else actually put a significant investment into OMI. Win, which is really nice as well. I mean, basically, it's like a gambling app. So do have that in the portfolio. And Superfarm was another one that was up today as well. Very, very nice. Now, let's go to Coinspot. Now, I can do this on here and still remain on the screen. There you go. How good is that, guys? Now, this is where I personally buy and sell my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in Bitcoin right there, guys. Very, very nice. Now, if we move down here, guys, all the prices you see here are in Australian dollars, and everything else is set to USD because I'm catering for everybody around the world. Now, let's quickly go through this, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin sitting at $36,000 today, guys, up 2%, which is really nice as well. Ethereum's at 2,500, up 0.86%. I do have a bot in the Patreon, which is linked below, that I've set up, and it's actually doing extremely well at the moment. Really nice. So again, check out the Patreon. Very, very bullish right there. XRP's at 59 cents. You've got Cardano at 60 cents as well. Matic's at $2.19 today. Doge at 13 cents. Solana, $38. I'm very, very bullish on that. I honestly believe it'll smash through its all-time high again and go back to those incredible levels. Shiba Inu, I do still hold up 0.95% today. Link's $11. You've got XLM at 14 cents. Very undervalued. VeChain is actually doing quite well, 6.42% today. Again, finally making some moves. It's been flatlining for literally more than 12 months. It hasn't moved much from that 3 cents level. Moving down here, you've got ICP at $10.82 at the moment, 0.48% down today. We'll see how that one goes as well. I might continue to dollar cost average into ICP. ALGO's at 43 cents. Quant is at 208 Australian. The graph's up nearly 3% as well to 25 cents, which is nice. We've got Axie Infinity up 3.6% today, which is nice, $16. And I mean, it's still making incredible interest on that APY. They're staking it on Coinspot. And I mean, I'm only keeping the ones I'm staking on the platform as well. Moving down here, ladies and gentlemen, of course, we've got NEO at $22, up 31% today, which is crazy. This needs to get back a lot higher because that's where I was buying it at pretty much at the peak of the bull market. IOTA's at 39 cents. Very love IOTA as well. It's a banking coin. Interesting though, Helium token with this whole migration with Solana as well is up 6.37% to $4.67, which is nice. Casper at 5 cents, very undervalued, and XDC, again, an absolute gem and an essential for the ISO20022 portfolio. 4 cents right there. Very, very nice. Now again, let's go here, guys, to Crypto Bubbles. And yes, I've got the Wall Street Bull Patreon. It is linked below. Join up. I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto trading bots, which are nice, which are doing incredibly well at the moment. And again, I'm not one to sell courses or anything like that. So I'm literally just putting up what I'm exactly doing with these bots, and they're making me gains, which is awesome. So join up with the community. Link is below. And also I put up all my dividend investments, my income from my stocks and what I'm buying and what I'm dollar cost averaging into as well. Very bullish community. Anyway, moving on, guys. Let's go here. I don't even know if I've got Crypto Bubbles up today. In actual fact, I will add Crypto Bubbles here. Let's have a look here on the day. Now, the biggest gainer, you've got CFX as well. This is going crazy at the moment. I do have a bot set up on this. It is ridiculous. The gains are just mental. If I had $1 million, I'd be a multi-millionaire from this bot, no joke. 64% on the day, which is nice. 594% on the week. 1,174% on the month. Where on earth would you get that kind of a return? It's just mind-blowing right there. NEO, okay, doing very nice, 30% on the day, 79 on the week, and 87% on the month. Now, this is getting up to some nice levels again. Very, very bullish on NEO, guys. And of course, you get paid the passive income, the gas token, basically, from holding NEO on Coinspot. So if you're holding it on an exchange, you will receive that passive income, which is nice. Stacks is up 15.6% on the day, 153 on the week, and 167 on the month, which is crazy. We've got WeMix as well, 18.8% on the day. You've got 124 on the week and 382% on the month, which is really nice as well. Moving down, of course, you've got Huobi token. I'm steering clear of these exchange tokens, guys. Honestly, from the experience of FTX, I don't want to risk it, to be quite honest. IOTA, very, very nice, 3.2% on the day, still up 19% on the month. ALGO, definitely one for the portfolio, 3.4 on the day. You've got 19% on the month and 19% on the week. Sorry, my microphone's just going crazy at the moment. And where is XRP here? Can I find it? No, it's too small. If we go XLM, 4.4 on the day, 13.8 on the week, and 3.6 on the month. Very, very bullish at the moment, guys. I think the bull market's just getting started, to be quite honest. Now, obviously, you've got here XRP bets made by investors for the first time since the start of the year. Very, very smart investors. But look at this. According to CoinShares' latest report of fund flows, the crypto-orientated investment products XRP ended last week with inflows of 300,000, which again isn't much in the big scheme of things, guys, when you think about it. But this was thus far the first time since the beginning of XRP-orientated products that have attracted funds from investors. Recall that $3 million flowed into such products on January 9th, then flowed back out on the following weeks. And if you add up all of the funds into XRP-focused investment products since the start of the year, it comes out to zero. It's important to evaluate this result given the conservative view of traditional investors on the crypto market, as well as the ongoing litigation between the SEC and Ripple, which is an absolute joke as well. Now, moving on, guys, some bullish updates in relation to Ripple making moves outside the United States, which was going to happen. I mean, obviously, they're not letting this court case get in the way of, continuing to build out Ripple and the actual business itself and the decentralized crypto XRP, which is nice. But look at this. Just recently, Brad Garlinghouse drew attention to the global regulatory progress in the comparison of the headwinds in the industries facing in the United States. And one region where crypto is seen as promising innovation, where the company has already been able to sign high-profile collaborations in the MENA region, the Middle East and North Africa region. And today, a new partner seems to have been added by Ripple. Punus, right here, Matthew, Managing Director of Dubai-based exchange, right here, wrote on LinkedIn, right here, that they basically had a meeting with Ripple employees, Mark Johnson, William Cooley, and Nick Taplin, right here, the leader in blockchain and crypto solutions enterprises. And they've made a new partnership right here. But it was a great discussion on how Ripple could be a great enabler for money transfer entities to scale up for affordable cross-border payments, instant settlement, and continuous liquidity, which again is a very key part right here. obviously with their on-demand liquidity using XRP platform. We are excited to collaborate with you right here. Very, very nice. They're still making a lot of partnerships around the world. There are teams literally in every country around the world. But although Ripple itself has not yet released an official confirmation of its partner, Matthew's wording is quite clear. The company will use XRP-based technology, on-demand liquidity, to optimize its cross-border payments with it. Very, very nice right there, ladies and gentlemen. And the SEC is basically alleging that Do Kwon relocated 10,000 Bitcoin as Terra Luna ecosystem imploded last year. This is wild, but the US SEC has alleged that he basically transferred 10,000 Bitcoin, currently worth about $250 million, as the Luna ecosystem was collapsing in May last year. And in the complaint from the SEC, the regulator says that Quant took Bitcoin out of Terraform Labs, the Luna Foundation, and basically transferred it to a Swiss bank account, which is interesting because I wonder if they're going to be able to claim that back. I'm pretty sure with Swiss bank accounts, they won't be able to do that because they don't have jurisdiction. Anyway, moving down, you've got Solana sees ultra bullish push as they confirm the Helium migration date, which is nice as well. But earlier today, Solana network team confirmed that the Helium network would finally be migrated to Solana on March 27, sending Solana and HNT prices soaring. The confirmation came after Helium shared updates in the transition via a blog on Friday and basically described the migration to Solana blockchain and deployment of oracles right here as the most significant upgrade to Helium, noting that it would be greatly boost the scalability and reliability right here. After months of meticulous planning and technical development, the Helium Foundation is proud to formally propose the March 27th as the migration date to the Solana blockchain. And I'm wondering, does anyone actually own HNT or those little devices that you could actually mine Helium? I'm just wondering. I believe I saw something online that they were not able to be used in Australia in particular. Very interesting. Anyway, keep an eye on Solana. I'm very bullish on this. The majority of Bitcoin retail investors lost money in the last 7 years. Bank of International Settlements right here. And a data report from the Bank of International Settlements shows that after the collapse of Terra Luna and FTX right here, crypto trading spiked, whales sold, and retail traders bought the crypto. The study also estimates that the majority of retail Bitcoin investors over the last 7 years lost money. Now, that is absolute BS because I'm telling you now, my Bitcoin, I've been holding it for a long time and I've got nothing but gains. So I actually haven't lost, nor have I sold any Bitcoin, mind you, as well. 2 catalysts could fuel the Ethereum explosion to $10,000 per coin, USD. And obviously this is Coin Bureau, big fan of your channel, mates. And Guy Turner says that there's certain catalysts that could push Ethereum to $10,000 in the next bull market right here. And I think that, for the sort of wider crypto market beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, something like a killer app. Basically, people ask me what a killer app is going to be, and I always say if I knew, I'd be off building one. So I really have no idea, but I think we're close to the beginning of a journey in what crypto can do and what people working in crypto are capable of doing. So I think we could see a killer app come and really supercharge one particular sector, maybe something like GameFi, dare I say it, the metaverse. However, the analyst also says that something is less exciting could be a catalyst for the crypto right here. He suggests that the rollout of the new central bank digital currency, CBDC, could from a major country could also push people into adopting crypto. I think perhaps another catalyst for the bull market could be something more mundane right here, but I think it could be something like CBDCs getting rolled out, which is interesting. So keep an eye on this as well, because again, we all know that a lot of CBDCs are being built on the banking coins, as we all know, Ripple in particular. Now, moving on, there's a super trend for the crypto bull market, and this is basically strengthening right here. But the super trend is plotted as a trend line above and below action, price action right here, depending on the price of the chart, bullish or bearish right here. And this acts as a dynamic support and resistance that moves up or down in price action, making it possibly useful as part of a trailing stop loss strategy, which is interesting. In the trend line, it's touching the price. The color is the trend line changing from red to green or vice versa, and a signal is triggered, basically a buy or sell. And as you can see, a buy signal was triggered on the weekly total crypto chart last week. More importantly, you can see right here, guys, sorry about this. More importantly, after last night's weekly close, the signal has officially confirmed we are at the beginning of a bull market. And T Analyst has been putting up some pretty incredible charts in relation to Bitcoin as well. Now, moving on, you've got Cryptometer.io. Let me refresh this and see where the net positive flow has been going. CFX, that is why my bot is going absolutely crazy. You've got Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Doge, Neo. You've got, what else we got here, guys? XRP Solana, which is nice, and AVAX. Very, very good stuff right there. The altcoin season index, and now this is interesting. This is on blockchaincenter.net. Go and have a look at this site. But the top performers are obviously Aptos. You've got RPL, Stacks. You've got Phantom, The Graph, Lido DAO, Neo, Filecoin. You've got Mana right here, Solana, ICP, which is nice to see that as well. HBAR is doing incredibly well, 71%. You've got VeChain, Near, Axie Infinity, AVAX right here. Bitcoin as well. I'm sorry this is on the side here. It's even making me turn my head here, which is hilarious. But anyway, that is pretty much it. XRP is the last one there at 0.7. Honestly, if there's any news coming out next month, things are going to go absolutely parabolic right there. Anyway, that is it for that. Let's go to Twitter. And you can see here I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me that way. Sorry, I'm pointing this way. This is hilarious. The Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me on there, guys. I will be giving this away when I hit 100,000 subs on YouTube, which is nice. And obviously, again, we are proud to partner with Solana Foundation, which is interesting right here, and a couple of other these firms right here in relation to carbon offsets. If we just have a look here, carbon offsets right here working on the blockchain. All of this is coming in 2030, as we know, but obviously basically saying to accelerate the use of crypto-based solutions for climate change, which is pretty cool as well. You've got the Fear and Greed Index sitting at 58 right now. Yes, I did go to have a look at this car today. It's absolutely mind-blowing, and I would need a lot of gain. So hurry up, crypto. That's waiting for me at the dealership. I did request a submission to get verified on Instagram, and I'm just waiting for an invoice. That's going to be hilarious. We also have, obviously, the ODL partnership right here, guys, with Ripple in the UAE, and it's an incredible place, by the way, because they're just so innovative and so forward-thinking. But you can see here, the execs right here discuss how Ripple enables money transfers, ODL using XRP. The post concludes, we look forward to collaborating. Very, very nice right there. Interesting stuff in relation to this Bitcoin ETF in the United States with Grayscale. They do want to get this going, but they've had nothing but hurdles with the SEC. But Johnny Deaton's come out here saying, if the court applies the law with these facts, Grayscale will win. And the denial of a Bitcoin spot ETF after allowing both futures and short Bitcoin ETFs meets the very definition of arbitrary and capricious under the law, which is very, very interesting. And again, if this happens, guys, you're going to be seeing a mass inflow of capital into Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course. Moving on, you've got the clear the way for the ISO20022 migration, which is happening right here. The council and the ECB right here have just given a green light for the ISO20022 migration. 20th of March, this is happening right here, and this removes all uncertainties for Swift ISO20022 migration on the same day. Very, very nice right here. You've got the Intelligent Investor. Again, thank you, Graham Stephan, for this. This is an incredible book right here. Go read this thread by him. It's awesome. Plan B, basically saying that's the last chance to buy Bitcoin under 25K. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. He's been putting up some awesome charts. Hong Kong to allow retail investors to trade larger cryptos, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I wonder why, but there's going to be a lot of money flowing into there. And obviously you can see here right now, I always like to back up anything I say with facts, explaining why I believe the way I do. In the next tweet of this thread, I'm going to quote the SEC's summary judgment argument. The following quote perfectly summarizes the SEC's theory in a nutshell. The SEC can get only this victory against XRP, but Ripple will win big. Right here says lawyer, XRP to hit $10 right there. Stuart Alderodi also put up this interesting post right here, but the SEC has lost 4 out of 5 cases in the Supreme Court, thanks to a few that had the courage and resources to fight back against the SEC's bullying and clinging to stretch legal positions that were not faithful to the law. Absolutely bullish as anything right there. Now let's go to coin market cap, and yes, I've got my watch list right here, and this is my portfolio. Top gainers, of course, in there are Neo, Gas. Again, you get paid from holding Neo in an exchange. OMI, CKB, Solo, Winlink right here, AMP, VeChain, Superfarm, Kin, Rose, XLM, which is nice, and AGIX. But of course, where my portfolio is building right here is the banking coins, because this is where the real money's going to be. Ethereum, XRP, ADA, AVAX, Chainlink, XLM. You've got Hedera, ALGO, Quant, IOTA, Casper, XDC, LCX, and Alliance Block. Very, very bullish. And I can't wait for this to go parabolic again, as you can see up there, guys. 6,000% in all time. This is going to go absolutely wild. And these charts, as you can see right here, $3.30 was its all-time high. This will smash through this and will win big. Very, very nice. But that is it for today's update, guys. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and again, subscribe to the Patreon. I'm putting up some pretty incredible stuff in there. I'm not selling any courses or any BS. It's literally just stuff that I'm doing, sharing with my community, because you guys are absolutely awesome. Join up is linked below, and I'll speak to everyone in the comments and the community tab. Stay safe. Peace out. Bye.